In this lesson, we're going to learn about decimals and fractions using a number line. So if we have a problem like this one that says graph 0.9 and 8 over 10 on a number line, and you need to figure out which is closer to 1. So the best way to answer this question is to use a number line to help you. So let's put in a number line. It goes from 0 to 1. And we could see it's cut up into decimals, right? From 0 to 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Additionally, we could see that it's also cut up into fractions, and the fractions are actually the same as these decimal representations. So 0.1 is the same as 1 over 10. 0.2 is the same as 2 over 10. 0.3 is the same as 3 over 10, and so on. So let's put these on the graph, okay? So 0.9, here it is. So this is 0.9, so let's fill that in. And then 8 over 10 is right here, so let's fill that in a different color. So we could see that 0.9 is closer to 1. So this is the answer. So let's circle that. So the red one is the one that is closer to 1. And just an interesting fact to remember, a fraction with a denominator of 10 or 100 can be rewritten as 3 over 100 will be 0.03. 5 over 10 is 0.5. Okay, so we could see 5 over 10 here is the same as 0.5. And the way to remember to do this is for 3 over 100, you pretend there's a decimal at the end of it, and then you move over the decimal 1, 2, and then you fill in a 0 for the empty spot. So it would be 1, 2, and over here we put in a 0. Over here for 5 over 10, there's only one 0, so we move over once the decimal, and that's it. So that's just a fact to remember for future. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video. You're probably just one explanation away from understanding it. And I have other videos similar to this that you could find in the description. As well, I have the ebook that you could download, and you could follow this exact lesson in the ebook. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.